Okay, so as you begin working on this Think Up today, I want you to notice that it is a paired passage. Remember, paired passage means there's two stories, and we have a strategy when we are doing a paired passage. We want to make sure you read the first story and go answer the first set of questions that go with that. Read the second story, go answer the second set of questions, and then you have the paired questions. So I just kind of want to go walk you through this passage just so we are ready. So the first story is called Cardboard Boxes. You're going to notice that both of these are nonfiction. So as you're reading, I would be annotating beside each paragraph, maybe just a few key words about what is going on in the story. After we read it, I'm going to go down and I'm going to do questions 1 through 4 because it goes with the first story. Question 1, the information included in paragraph 3 helps the reader understand blank. Well, if you annotated paragraph 3, then you have a good idea what it's about. You might need to reread it and go, okay, is it about this? So make sure you write right here what you think paragraph 3 is about, and then match it up by circling those keywords. Information in paragraph 4 would be useful to someone who blank. So we're kind of talking about who is the intended audience in paragraph 4? Who are they trying to say this is important for? Which detail supports the idea that cardboard boxes benefit the environment? So that key word there is benefits the environment. So the only thing I'm looking for in ABCD is something that benefits the environment, and you need to circle that key word when you find it. The author most likely included the image of the cardboard box to what? Write a little note right here after you look at that box. Why do you think he put a picture of the box? How is that helpful? What was his purpose in doing that? And then match up what you think. So after we do those, we're going to go back to the second story, Plastic Bottle Village. And it's a nonfiction, so you need to be annotating a couple words as you're reading. Look at the pictures, kind of make a note of what are they doing in those pictures? Why are they there? And then you need to go down and find the questions that go with the paired. Based on the information in paragraph 2, what can the reader conclude about Robert? So not about the whole story, but only from paragraph 2. What can I infer or conclude about him? You need to write what you think first. All right. The 2 photographs below paragraph 4 are included to show what? So again, go back to those 2 pictures. Write a note. Why do you think they're there? What are they showing me? And then write what you think. Which detail supports the idea that homes made from plastic bottles are sturdy? So circle that keyword. Homes are sturdy. I'm only looking for something that talks about not a plastic house, but only about it being sturdy. If you don't know what sturdy means, you need to look it up in a dictionary because I'm not going to tell you. And then the root word bin helps the reader determine that the word beneficial means what. So you need to look up beneficial and you need to match it up. Looking at the paired passage questions, this is checks and X's strategy. Based on evidence in both texts, what would both of the authors agree with? So I would read A and go, okay, does that go with the first story about the cardboard boxes? Check or X. Think about the second story. Does that go with the second story? Check or X. And you're going to do that. What is a difference? So right here is like, is the first part true? Yes. Is the second part true? Yes or no. Okay. And all of these are checks and X's. So you, beside each answer choice, you should have checks and X. Does it go with the first story? Does it go with the second story? And I am just looking for an answer choice that has 2 checks. It matches both stories.